Operating costs. These are the ongoing expenses required to run a business or maintain an asset. They include costs such as salaries, rent, utilities, and etc. These are the examples of operating costs. Salary and wages. Payment to employees, including wage, salaries, and bonuses. These are the payments made to employees, encompassing salaries, early wage, bonuses, and other financial incentives for labor. Rent. Cost for leasing office or factory space. Costs incurred for leasing physical space, such as office or manufacturing facilities, typically paid on regular basis. Utilities. Expenses for electricity, water, gas, and telecommunications. Ongoing expenses for essential services like electricity, water, gas, and telecommunications is necessary for business operations. And raw materials. Cost for materials and supplies used in productions. The foundational materials used in production of goods which is transformed into finished products. And office supplies. Expenditures for items like papers, pen, and other administrative necessities. Items required for administrative function including a stationery, printer, ink, and office